Looking to boost the performance of your Acer Aspire 5 Slim laptop? Today, we're diving into the Acer 32GB DDR4 RAM module, a potential game-changer for these popular machines. This memory upgrade is specifically designed to be compatible with a range of Acer Aspire 5 Slim models, including the A515-45, A515-55, A515-56, and A517-52 series. So, if you own one of these laptops, this could be a very worthwhile upgrade. This is a single 32GB module, operating at a speed of 3,200 MHz, PC4-25600. It's a 260-pin SOMM, which is the standard for laptops, and it runs at a low voltage of 1.2V, adhering to the JEDEC DDR4 standard. This is important because it ensures compatibility and efficient power consumption. The ATEC module is non-ECC unbuffered memory, configured as 2RX8, meaning it's a dual-rank module with 8 chips per rank. This can potentially offer better performance compared to single-rank modules, depending on your system's architecture. The primary benefit of upgrading to 32 GB of RAM is a significant improvement in overall system performance. With more memory available, your laptop can handle more demanding tasks, such as running multiple applications simultaneously, editing large files, and even some light gaming, without experiencing slowdowns or lag. It allows the system to take on more without sacrificing a fast and smooth experience. Installation is designed to be quick and easy, something that can be done at home without needing any specialized expertise. Of course, it's always recommended to consult your laptop's manual for specific instructions on how to install RAM modules and to ensure proper seating and channel configuration. ATEC backs its memory modules with stringent quality control testing, aiming for dependable and reliable performance. They also offer a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. Plus, they have a tech team available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter before or after your purchase. If any issues arise, they're there to help.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.